Today I'm going to show you how to clean your black top or your flat top with nothing but a spatula and a little bit of ice. Now we've had this on high heat for about 4 or 5 minutes, and what you'll see a lot of people do is pour water on here, which is just fine. But in the restaurant industry, I learned to use ice because you can control it a little bit better. So if you've got some heavy grease on one side, you can redirect ice cubes to it a lot easier and better than you can trying to scrape or scoop some water over there. And all we're going to do is push them around. Try to get every area here. And you see how I can move an ice cube much better than I can move a pool of water? And now all we're going to do is scrape. And if you need a little bit more or to do it again or bring some of the water back out, you can. And with the Blackstones, what's really nice is we're just pushing it all in the back of that grease trap. Then we can do a little bit more if we need to as well. And then I just like to give it a quick wipe down to get any of the thick grease that I didn't get off of there before we season it again. Now I'll go ahead and shut it off, and while it's still really hot, we'll season it. We'll put a light coat of the Crisco on there, and then let it sit, let it cool down with the Crisco right on top. Then it'll be perfectly ready to go for the next cooking. All right, now even though this is off, it is still quite hot, so I'm going to use a really thick thing of paper towels here, and we're just going to put a light coat of the Crisco right on it. So we're just going to rub a light coat all over it. This. So we'll let this sit and cool down uncovered, and then we'll put the cover back on, both the hard top as well as the soft cover. But this is really well cleaned. This is ready for the next grilling or cooking. Hope this was helpful, and as always, folks, reach out anytime with questions or concerns.